Hey my loves, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today, you guys already know, it's another hair tutorial. Today we'll be working with MyFirstWigs and you know they come through with all the goodies. You get a baby hair brush, you get your edge tamer, which is so bomb. I have so many of these and I'm so happy about it. They also gave this little card right here which was in an amazing package. It's literally like wedding goals. Also in this pouch are even more goodies. You get your clips, you get your rat tail comb, which you know is a staple. You even get this tripod or stand for your wig. And in this gorgeous reusable sleeve you also get your wig, and this here is a bob by the name of Aries. Now off the bat, I was super hyped about the construction of the cap. This is a fake scalp method wig and it also includes a elastic band, which you guys know is perfect for a glueless application. Now this blunt cut is super bomb. You don't have to do any customization at all, which is my favorite kind of wig nowadays. So if this is going to be your first purchase or your first wig, this is definitely the way to go because you definitely don't have to bleach knots, you don't have to tint lace, you don't have to do any cutting. It's pre-plucked and all of that, so you literally can install it ready to go by just going ahead and picking up your flat iron, your brush, your comb, and just basic products to go ahead and style it to your liking. But the whole like I'm a stylist professional aspect of it, you have to do nothing, hence the name MyFirstWig. Here is a shot of the back. As you guys can see, it's super nice. You literally just have to bump it because of course it was in that sleeve, so you'll definitely have to go ahead and style it just a little bit, but that literally is minor and you'll see me do that on camera in just a moment. Now to the length of the hair, I added no product, but you'll see like I add the edge tamer and a little bit of wax for the crown of it, just to get rid of flyaways and stuff like that. Here is a close-up of the actual hairline. Super beautiful. I was prepared to tweeze, and again, I did not have to at all. Now this is an electric hot comb. I honestly don't know what I was doing with my wigs before the electric hot comb became popular as it is these days, because literally I use this more than a flat iron. This is literally like I cannot slay my wig without my hot comb. What was I doing like a year or two ago before we started using these? Like really. Also, if I did not mention, this one is 10 inches in length, 130% density. I opted for a size 1 cap, which is equivalent to a small. The texture is silky. Of course, as I said before, it is Malaysian hair. And as I said before, it's medium brown cap, adjustable elastic band, and of course, the knots are bleached. Just wanted to throw that in for all of you guys who are wondering. Can you see how flawless this hairline is? And I haven't even cut off the lace. So today we're going to be using a razor. I've been trying to do, different techniques to go ahead and customize my wigs, just because, I do get stuck in a rut and like to do the same things over and over and over again. So I've been trying to get a little bit better with using the razor. This one I purchased in a huge bulk from Amazon, and I'm not sure if it's just not sharp enough, but I do find that these give me a little bit of a hard time. So the next time I'm in my beauty supply store, I am going to pick up a few fresh ones just to see if there's a difference in the seller or the brand of what I purchased. But all in all, I will say that I have been liking the difference in my lace. It doesn't make it too rugged, but it's not a straight across cut like with scissors. But of course I still have to go in and clean up with scissors in certain areas, more specifically like around my ears, and of course you don't want to use a razor around your ears, right? So I'm going ahead and creating or forming my baby hair, and I just wanted you guys to get a close-up look of how amazing it blends, especially when you pull a little bit of baby hair forward just to kind of camouflage what is not bonded down. And you guys seen before I just started adding this adhesive that it pretty much looked like it was bonded down in most places. So this is definitely one that is glueless. Of course I like to go in and add my got to be glued just for a little bit of a added protection so it doesn't slide back. I now have 3 children officially, so my wigs need to be bonded down. I can't just walk around with one hanging off of me. Right here I'm going ahead and cutting off the excess baby hair, I guess you would say. I'm just trimming it down a little bit shorter, and this is kind of where I wish I would have used the scissors because it kind of got a little bit messy. Again, the razors I don't think are as sharp as they should be, so yeah, I should have used the scissors, but we got through it. I'm gonna go ahead and swoop this down with a little bit of edge control, I think. Now I'm going to go ahead and make this an even more flawless application by adding just a little bit of concealer. Honestly, it didn't need a lot in the parting. It was just a smidget red, not too bad, but you know, I went ahead and just made it blend with my complexion a little bit more. And I just kind of like dotted it over the lace as well because I wanted it to be perfect match for my skin. But again, if you didn't do that, you definitely wouldn't tell a difference. You probably don't even tell the difference of what I did on camera anyways. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and bump the ends. I forgot to add a heat protectant, but other than that, this hair did not need serum. It did not need any kind of product at all, which is my favorite way to install. It's just little or minimal product, especially on the length of the hair, because nobody wants a stiff bob, right? And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Oh, you see those flyaways? The edge tamer. The edge tamer is a holy grail product. It definitely will tame your edges. I used it for my baby hair, and it also did a great job with the flyaways at the very top, at the very end. And I didn't even need any heat to work that in, and it looks amazing. Make sure you check out MyFirstWig. You guys know I love this company. I work with them often, so I have quite a few videos. Make sure you head to my channel and check them all out, especially if you're interested in purchasing from this company. They have literally all kind of styles and textures and lengths. And of course, everything is beginner friendly, hence the name MyFirstWigs. So make sure you check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!